Good morning students. Today we are going to see multiplication tables. That is, in the last class we have an introduction about multiplication. We know the multiplication facts, how that is coming. So here we are going to see multiplication tables. So we already know up to 10th table. So from today we are going to learn 11th to 15th table. So before that, how the combination works, that you have learnt already. With that numbers you are going to see from 1 to 10th table. So here we are starting with 11th table. So before that I will say you one thing, that how it works with the combination that you have already learnt with that. So to form the 11th table, I am going to say that is 10 plus 1 is 11. You already know 10 plus 1 is 11. With these two tables I am going to say that how the combination comes for the 11th table. So here now see, for the 10th table, you know the 10th table, 1 10 is 10, that is 2 10s are 20, 3 10s are 30, 4 10s are 40. So these are the things you know for the 10th table. And one table also you know, 1 1 is 1, 2 1 is 2, 3 1 is 3, likewise you know up to 10. So with these two, the answers that you have got in the 10th table and in the 1's table. So 10, the first answer 1 10 is 10 and 1 1 is 1. So by adding 10 and 1 you will get as 11, and by adding 20 plus 2 you will get the answer as 22. And next you will see 3 into 10 is 30 and 3 1 is 3. So by adding that two answers 30 and 3 you will get the answer as 33. So this what you will get the 11th table. So now we shall learn to the tables 11, 12, 13 and 15th table. So see to the 11th table, 1 11 is 11, 2 11s are 22, 3 11s are 33, 4 11s are 44, 5 11s are 55, 6 11s are 66, 7 11s are 77, 8 11s are 88, 9 11s are 99, 10 11s are 110. So this is the 11th table, and now we shall see to the 12th table. 1 12 is 12, 2 12s are 24, 3 12s are 36, 4 12s are 48, 5 12s are 60, 6 12s are 72, 7 12s are 84, 8 12s are 96, 9 12s are 108, 10 12s are 120. And now we shall see to the table of 13. 1 13 is 13, 2 13s are 26, 3 13s are 39, 4 13s are 52, 5 13s are 65, 6 13s are 78 and 7 13s are 91, 8 13s are 104, 9 13s are 117, 10 13s are 130. So now we shall see to table of 14. 1 14 are 14, 2 14s are 28, 3 14s are 42, 4 14s are 56, 5 14s are 70, 6 14s are 84, 7 14s are 98, 8 14s are 112, 9 14s are 126, 10 14s are 140. Now we shall see to the last one, table of 15. 1 15s are 15, 2 15s are 30, 3 15s are 45, 4 15s are 60, 5 15s are 75, 6 15s are 90, 7 15s are 105, 8 15s are 120, 9 15s are 135, 10 15s are 150. So from 11th till 15th table you are going to by heart it. So that will be easy for doing multiplication for you. So you are going to learn this one, write 5 times in your note, okay. So next what you are going to see is, we are going to try the exercise problems now. So first question is given here. If 10 into 2 is 20 and 4 into 2 is 8, what will be 14 into 2 is given here. So 10 2s are 20, you know that, and 4 2s are 28. That is, I am splitting that number, that is here they have asked the question 14 into 2, right. 14 into 2. So we are going to find this one. 14 into 2. We can, I am going to split this number 14 into 10 plus 4. So 10 plus 4 is 14. So I am going to multiply 2 to 10 and 2 to 4. So you will get the answer. So already we have, it is given in the question itself, 10 into 2 is 20. So 10 into 2 is 20. So the next one is 4 into 2 is 8, already it is given here. So 8. So we are going to add these two numbers, that is 10 2s are 20 and 4 2s are 8. So while we are adding, we will get 0 plus 8 is 8 and 2, here there is no number, so you are writing 2. So 28 is the answer. So while by it is given here, if 10 into 2 is 20 and 4 into 2 is 8, what will be 14 into 2? So 14 2s are. So you first know to the tables, that is 2 into 14 is 28. So if you know this one, you can directly apply, or else you have to do like this way. So we can by heart these things, these from 11 to 15th table. So you already learnt up to 10th table. So from today you are going to learn from 11 to 15th table. So that will be easy for doing the problems. Now we shall see to the second problem. If 8 into 12 is equal to 96 and 4 into 12 is equal to 48, what will be 12 into 12? So first one I have said like that. So the same thing for the second and the third problem, you are going to do that as a homework one. So second one is I am going to explain to you, you are going to do that as a homework. So 8 into 12 is 96, you know, and 4 into 12 is 48. So the multiplication for the 12th table it is given. The same thing 12 into 12 you are going to do. So I have splitted that number, the two numbers, 12 as 8 into 4. Here you are going to split the number 8 into 4 and the 12 is multiplied to those two numbers. So you got 8 into 12 as 96 and 4 into 12 as 48. Likewise, you are going to multiply. After adding 96 and 48, you will get the sum answer. That answer only for that 12 into 12. So you can easily find that answer by adding the two numbers 8 into 12 and 4 into 16. You got 96 and 48. Already it is given in the question. By adding that two numbers, you can get the answer for 12 into 12. So the next one also homework one for you. If 7 into 20 is 140, what will be 20 into 7? So see here, 7 into 20 and 20 into 7 are same. The order is only changed. The number of the orders is changed, but the answer will be remain the same. So in the last previous class we have learned that. So 7 into 20 is 140 and 20 into 7 is. So you are going to find that answer. I said that the answer will be the same. So you know. So fourth one, answer the following. Poonam buys 8 packets of sunflower seeds. The price of one packet is rupees 13. How much money does Poonam spend? So I have given here the given part, the number of packets 8. That is given here. Poonam buys 8 packets of sunflower seeds. And the price of one packet price is rupees 13. Price of one packet is rupees 13. So what you are going to find here is how much money she has been spent there. So how much she has spent, how we can find that? 13 into 8 or 8 into 13. So you are going to multiply those two numbers, then you can get the answer. So one packet is 13 rupees, means for 8 packets how much the rate will be. So one packet only 13 rupees. So there are 8 packets. So to find that 8 into 13, you know the multiplication answer. So write that 8 into 13. So you know the tables of 13. So 8 into 13 is 104. So before writing the answer, what you have to give the sign, because it is a money, it is a rupees. So you have to mention the sign, rupees sign, and then write as 104. So 8 into 13 is 104. You know the tables of 13. So 8 into 13 is 104. So the money she has spent for buying 8 packets is rupees 104. So now we shall see to the next problem with what is given there. Romila buys 2 packets of rose seeds for rupees 15 each. How much money does she spend? So here there are 2 packets and each packet's rupees is 15. So each, the word each is given there. So each means one packet is rupees 15. And how many packets are there? 2 packets. So totally you will get 2 into 15. So 2 15s are. So you find for 2 15s are. So here you have to mention rupees in the answer. So rupees 2 15s are 30. So you know the table. First you have to learn the tables from 11 to 15. You already know 1 to 10. Here you are going to learn up to 15. So here we have written the answer 8 into 13 as rupees 104. You have to mention the rupees before that answer because it's a price rate. The rupees, now we have to give the sign for the rupees. Likewise for this sum also you have to mention the rupees. So the answer is how much she has spent the money for the 2 packets is rupees 30. And the next sum you are going to do as a homework sum. what is given there is, if 12 children can sit in one cab, how many children can sit in 6 cab? So there are 12 children in one cab. In one cab 12 children can be seated there. And how many cabs are there? 6 cabs are there. How many children can sit in 6 cabs? That is a question. There are 6 cabs and each cabs 12 children can be seated there. Then how much totally the children will be seated there? That is we are going to find that. So total number of children seated in that 6 cabs. In the 6 cabs only we are going to find cabs. So 6 cabs means you have to multiply 6 into 12. So you know the table for 12th table. So 6 12s are, you are going to find the answer 6 into 12 and equal to, here there is no need of sign, rupees sign. Here there is given for amount, that is price is given, so we are using sign for the rupees, and here there is no need. They have asked only for the members, that are people, the whole children who are sitting in that cabs. So that is you are going to find here. And the next one is fill in the empty boxes to get the product is 28. So here I have given 28. We are going to fill the remaining boxes given here. Fill in the empty boxes. So to find 28, so the answer should be 28 while you are multiplying two numbers. While you are multiplying two numbers, you should get that 28. So there are some possibilities. What are the possibilities? 128 is 28. Likewise, 7 4s are 28. 4 7s are 28. The order can be changed. So likewise you are going to find that one I will do for you. So what you are going to do is 28, to find the 28 number you are going to fill the numbers, the two numbers, the product numbers, that is 28. To get the answer 28, 7 4s are 28, 7 4s are 28, and if we change the order the same answer will be getting. So 4 7s are 28 and 128 is 28, 28 1 is 28. So you can write in such ways. So 2 table also, 12th table also it will be coming. So write that, okay. And the 6th one, complete the multiplication grid. So here there is a table, there is a multiplication grid is there. There is nothing but the tables only up to 15th table, from 11th to 15th table it is given in the order wise. 1 to 10 you are going to write the tables. So fill that one. So you know 1 11 is 11. So first column is filled with 1 11 is 11. So the next column, so 1 12 is 12. And the next one, 1 13 is 13. Likewise in the order wise it is there. 1 11 is 11, 2 11s are 22, 3 11s are 33. So likewise you are going to fill all the things. You first learn the tables from 11 to 15. Then you fill this one. So that's all. Today we have seen about the tables, the multiplication tables from 11. What are the questions I have given homework for you? Do that one. Thank you students.